In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page in Elementor. Setting up a thank you page is a fantastic way to acknowledge the actions your visitors have taken on your site. And with Elementor, it's straightforward and intuitive. So, let's dive into the process together. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find an option labeled Pages. Hover over it, and from the expanded menu, select Add New. This leads you to the page creation view. Here, we're going to give our new page a name. It could be something as simple and clear as Thank You. This label will help you identify your page easily later, especially if you end up with a large number of pages on your site. With the name set, it's time to move on to the exciting part, designing. Click on Edit with Elementor to open up the Elementor interface. If you're new to Elementor, think of this as your creative canvas, where you can start painting the picture you want your audience to see after they've performed a certain action on your site. Begin by adding a heading to your page. This heading could say something heartfelt and direct like, "Thank you for submitting." This lets your users know that their action, whether it was filling out a form or completing a purchase, has been successfully acknowledged. Next, consider adding a personalized message. This message can clarify what happens next, or perhaps offer encouragement or further engagement. For instance, you might say something like, "We've received your details, and we'll get back to you shortly," or pose an invitation to explore other parts of your site. Now, let's talk about adding a button or a call to action to guide your visitors' next steps. This could lead them to more content, further interaction, or even a special offer. The goal here is to keep them engaged with your site rather than moving on to something else. As you build your page, pay attention to the styling and layout. Make it on-brand by adjusting the colors, fonts, and overall spacing. Consistency is key in maintaining a professional appearance and fortifying your brand identity. Elementor provides great flexibility in ensuring every element aligns perfectly with your brand's image. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to wrap things up. Go ahead and click the Publish button. This will make your thank you page live, ready for your visitors to see and engage with. And there you have it. You've successfully created a thank you page using Elementor. This page is now a polished part of your site that can help improve user experience and engagement. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.